Hello, this is Mark Reeves from Poseyville, Indiana. This is my ride, Big Hog. This is my story. This truck started, I bought the truck brand new, 2007. One of the first body styles, first one that my dealership could get this truck. So we picked it up right away, started on it. The truck right now is still only has 2,158 miles on it on a 2007. It's a work in progress like all of them. Every year you keep changing a few things, doing a little bit more. Right now it's sitting on 2.5 ton Rockwells, 2-inch Overson Engineering axle shafts, lockers front and rear. We're running 2.5 inch, 16-inch tall King coilovers, custom 4-link suspension, custom dual exhaust kit. It's got the Duramax engine in it, the LMM. Everything in the inside now has been worked on. We've done a lot of the audio video system, running 4.8-inch kicker L7 subs, running TVs for TV monitoring and different things. Head units in, a lot of the interior still got some work to be done. All my custom leather and stitching and stuff will be coming up in the near future, but we did the paint work here in the last few years, got all the suspension chromed, everything of that nature has been touched, and keep working to kind of make it better in the future. And once again, I'm Mark Reeves from Poseyville, Indiana, and this was my story, and this is my ride, Big Hog.